be, do, the, to, but, have, them, shall, usual, usually, give, given, him, we, of, it, which, a, an, to, who, think, was, usual, come, thing, for, on, had, difference, put, oh, go, in, any, being, having, are, and, your, whose, thank, different, difference, differences, wish, to be, can, ought, any, doing, going, our, are, should, year, large, thanked, I, why, beyond, with, what, me, can you, with you, what you, are you, as, is, several, how, because, you, when, would, owing, give you, when you, would you, all, has, his, those, this, special, speak, subject, first, influence, next, all right, always, also, themselves, myself, thus, special, specially, speak, speaks, subject, subjected, though, most, influenced, although, already, almost, as fast as, ourselves, himself, itself, United States, largest, a special, especially, language, young, nothing, anything, something, quite, that, inform, informed, information, November, respect, respected, respectful, respectfully, expect, expected, expectation, much, New York, sent, especially, owing, anything, something, could, without, informed, satisfactory, satisfactorily, respected, expected, inspect, inspected, inspection, January, although, people, believe, believed, till, deliver, delivered, delivery, call, equal, equaled, build, at all, February, together, insurance, belief, tell, deliver, delivery, called, equally, cold, building, by all, I believe, doctor, during, principal, liberty, remark, number, chair, care, surprise, nor, near, own, able to, dear, truth, principally, member, remarked, number, cheer, description, surprised, in, our, owner, more, remark, remarkable, remarked, sure, larger, everything, however, respectful from, they are general within, northern, had been, Mr. pleasure, largely, over, been, respectfully, very, there, general, generally, southern, opinion, have been, more than, larger than, our own, going on, represent, representative, representative, represented, representatives, representation, advantage, number of, which have, gentlemen, told, tried, third, better than, smaller than, their own, carried on, represented, behalf, out of, instead of, who have, cannot, trade, toward, difficult, difficulty, balanced, great, gold, public, published, object, objective, objection, organized, satisfaction, yesterday, important, balance, at once, responsibility, guard, information, publish, publication, organize, organization, investigation, weather, importance, improve, improvement, child, cheered, according, cared, opportunity, hand, yard, immediate, schooled, certificates, acknowledge, improved, impossible, chaired, accord, according to, particular, short, under, ward, school, spirit, knowledge, I am not, you are not, you were not, I would, wonderful, rather, therefore, in there, in order that, in order to, not later than, this latter, you will not, this would be, character, wonderfully, writer, interest, have there, my dear sir, my dear madam, rather than, no longer than.